Do you struggle to recruit the right people into your team? Hi, my name's Tony and I want to share with you today how to actually recruit people into your team so that you get the most value out of making sure you get the right thing that you're looking for within your business. Alright, so for me it all starts with why. If you can actually figure out what it is that you need this person to do, why you need them to do it, and what it is that they're going to deliver for the business, you will get a lot more clarity about the importance of this role within your business and how it's going to help you. That clarity will give you a good understanding of what the expectation is of what you're looking for that person to do, and then you will be able to communicate that to them both clearly and effectively and manage them through that process. So how do we actually go through making sure that we get the right person within our team? Well, the first thing to do is to start with a position description. And by this I mean what you need to be able to do is to articulate, write down on a piece of paper exactly what it is that you're looking for from this person in terms of what they need to be able to do, what it is that you're expecting from them, what sort of experience they need to have, and what it is that you're really wanting them to fit into your business. That's what's really important about a position description. It also helps you to actually manage that person once they get on board, because you can go back to this and refer to this as something that they said that they were able to do, and you were able to communicate that to them really clearly. The second part of the process is to be able to attract the right people that you're looking for. So it's really important when you're scripting the advertisement to make sure that you're really clear about the type of person that you're looking for so that you're able to go out there and attract that type of person to bring them into your business. Once you've actually gone out there into the marketplace and you've sourced the types of people that you're looking for, the next part of the process is to go through some form of recruitment or selection process to actually get them to actually come along to an interview so that you can actually deep dive into the type of person that you're looking for. So my suggestion is that you go through the information that they provide you in the way of a CV or some form of resume, and you start to actually look on paper who you think is going to be the best fit for your business. Once you've actually done this, invite those top 5 people to come along and have an interview with you. And the interview is a really important part of the process because this is where you're actually going to get to actually have a face-to-face with the person and really get to understand who they are and what it is that they can actually bring to your business. That's what's going to be really important about the interview. And that interview process needs to be more relaxed. It needs to make them feel comfortable so that you'll see the real them, but you also need to sort of be able to create that environment for them. But ideally what you're looking for is to make sure that 1, they say they can do what they can do. Number 1, that's most important. 2, that you can actually see that as a person, as an individual, that they're going to be a good fit for your business, both in terms of the technical side of what it is that you need to do, but also from a cultural side in terms of whether they're going to be the right fit for your business. And the third thing is then to make sure that you can actually get a good rapport with them, because the communication with your employee is going to be also very important for you. So how you actually build that rapport with them in the interview process will give you a really good indication in terms of what this person's going to be like. There, you then get into the selection process, and my suggestion here is that what you need to do is to actually sort of select each candidate on a specific criteria. So what are the most important things that you're looking for? Give them a rating and score that person against that rating to make sure that you're picking the person that's able to do the job that you need them to do and can do that most effectively and efficiently for you. So the ratings that you score under each category that you're looking for from that person should give you a good indication as to who is going to be the best fit out of those top 5 that you're looking to interview. From there, my suggestion is you have another opportunity to talk to that person in some form of informal interview style, which then would looking to invite them into coming to actually spend some time with you in some form of trial. Now that can be for a day, it can be for a week, it can be for 3 months. But the trial is really the opportunity for you to actually see whether, again, this person's going to fit within the business, but is also going to be able to do what they say they can do, which is, again, substantially important. It's okay what they've got on paper, it's okay what their words say, but you physically need to make sure that they can do what you need them to do. Following this process, once you've completed the trial, if you're satisfied with their performance, then all well and good. But the important thing is to build up that communication, that rapport with them, so that they actually get that it's really important to you that this person actually sort of fits and delivers what it is that you need within the business. So communicate really clear with them, provide some great feedback along the way, ask them questions about how they're going, and that will hopefully lead you to find the right employee for your business. Hi, if you like this video and would like to see more content like this to help you grow your business, subscribe to our YouTube channel at UpCoach Business Growth Programs, or follow us on our social media channels right here.